Things you need to know about Metropolitana subway ticket in Milan. It costs €2.20 for 90 minutes of duration. You can buy them at ticket machines on Metropolitana subway station. Just look for these M signs. It's a simple process. Choose the language, choose which tickets you want to buy, then make your payment. You can use cash or cards. Validation will start as you enter the gate. Always keep your ticket during the duration. You will need it as well to exit the station. This ticket valid for 90 minutes across all means of public transportation in Milan. And that is